Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about the career options because there are different kind of designations, different kind of openings in the market. If you visit any popular job portal, you'll find all kind of requirements there. And that may cause confusion because data science is a very vast field. Machine learning, AI, deep learning, all these terms are confusing lots of people. So let's talk about data science and go through their overview. But first thing first, we need to see how we can build a portfolio. Because no matter what you ultimately choose in machine learning to do, whether you just want to be someone who use tools like Microsoft, Power BI, Tableau, or someone more into programming side of it, but you need to build a portfolio. For new guys, the guys coming out of college or who are still in college and preparing for machine learning, it's very easy. You need to follow these steps. And as you are just coming out of college, you don't have to show any experience. So if you can just show the skills needed for it, you're good to go. But for the laterals, for the experienced professionals, it's very important to show a portfolio. So for both freshers as well as experienced professional, I think the requirement of having a good portfolio is very important. For freshers, it's slightly less, but I will highly recommend to build a portfolio from start. And don't worry, by the end of this course, you will have quite a few projects in that portfolio, so you will have something to start with, and then you can continue your journey with more and more projects. And don't worry, I will show you the sources, URLs from where you can get the data. You can build maybe 50, 100 projects in your portfolio. And remember, more the merrier. Okay, so how to build your portfolio? Basically, building a portfolio is not a big deal in today's world. There are lots of options. The first option is definitely to have your own personal website, that is your own domain, but that will cost you some money. If you want to avoid that, you can use free services for blogs, free services like Blogger to create a portfolio. Let me show you what exactly I mean. So by personal website, I mean a conventional website. It will be your domain and hosted on a hosting provider. For example, my site is hosted with GoDaddy. You can use any other company. In this case, you have full control. I'm using WordPress. It's a free tool. If you want to learn more about how to set up your website, there will be a link on my site. You can refer to resources section here and it will tell you how exactly to set up your website. But if you don't want to go through that because it will cost you money, I think the cost of domain will be roughly $10-20 and then the hosting will be around $100. In India, domain price will be around 5 to 600 rupees per annum and the hosting will be around 5,000 per annum. And if you don't want to spend that, it's absolutely okay. You don't have to feel that having a website is the only way. You can still manage with free tools. So you can use something like Blogger. So if you Google Blogger, you will find the link. You can log on to this and create your own blog and put everything you learn in this course or outside on that. It will give you a unique URL and you can put that in your LinkedIn profile or on your CV. So that's a very good way of creating your portfolio using free tool. Another free tool which is similar in nature is WordPress. So you can use WordPress to create your own free portfolio. But these services are primarily meant for blogging. Now, of course, we can use them to create our portfolio. This is the upgrade option here, so don't worry about that. I think they have some free option also. You can check out their website for more details. But these services were essentially created for blogging and we can use them for building our portfolio, which is again in a way where we use our projects as post. So when you log into these systems, you will create new post and in that post you can put all of your code, your findings, and that's a good way to present that. If you want something more dedicated towards programmer, then you can use something like GitHub. Let me show you that. Now, github.com is the most popular option among developers, all kind of developers. In fact, it's a very good software for managing the development of all kind. But we are not interested in the paid option. So for free, you can simply create a profile here and then use that to upload your projects. It's not as simple as something like a blogger, but it's not very tough. And if you're planning to work in data science, machine learning, I will highly recommend this tool because you will see that it's very popular among hiring managers also. In fact, in a lot of cases, they may ask for GitHub URL. So create it. So whether you use your personal website, blog, or GitHub, you have to have something to build your portfolio. So it's simple, just sign up for the free account. So just sign up for the free account and upload your data. You will get a unique URL which you can then put on your LinkedIn profile, on your CV. And from LinkedIn, if you're not present on LinkedIn, then you're not doing the right thing. You have to be present on LinkedIn. And on LinkedIn, as soon as you create your first project, start uploading those URLs. So whether it's a blogger URL, WordPress, your personal website, or GitHub, you can simply go to your profile, click on this pen icon, and then scroll down. It will give you an option to upload URL. So as soon as you upload your URL, it will appear something like this. So overall, it's very important to focus on portfolio creation because no matter what you learn, people don't know how much you know. And the problem with interviews is that if they don't know anything about you, they are going to try to find out in the interview itself. Now, sometimes we may not perform so well in interviews. We may forget few things, we may not answer few things correctly, and it may not present the true picture. And when you have a portfolio, they can go through your website, they can see what kind of things you have done in the past. For example, if I go back to my website, now if somebody goes through this, they know that, okay, I know about these topics, I have worked on them. Even if I fail to answer something in the interview itself, I have built my impression even before entering the interview room. And in that case, hiring manager will understand that even if this guy is not able to answer this question right now, he or she has already worked upon it. So it's a very good way of showcasing your knowledge, your skills. So please build something like a personal website, blog, or GitHub profile. Put that on your LinkedIn profile. So that's it for now. We will continue with data science as career in the next video. Thank you.